مشار رئيس سلباكير مياريت بتاع جنوب السودان رئيس بتاع جنوب هل بفك رياض مشار من سجن هل بفك 7 نفر في السجن مع رياض مشار of course هذا ده ما سؤال تاني رياض مشار بفكو سؤال البصر نفسه 200 رياض مشار بفكو ده حاجة فضل بس ده 200 رياض مشار بفكو قبل أنا أشوف منو زول I don't know who is he utabalo hukuma or matabalo hukuma are you a supporter of government or you are not a supporter of government and that's why you're losing a lot of fans zol banaro mejang medit or medina mejak but I like said media or like munu media hey riak mishar maba fego la na daga no riak mishar be fego majak ping wedde riak mishar be fego akol kor be fego bolmel be fego the question is when will they be released? And if you have a question why Salva Kiir be piguman, then that's a quest. That's a quest. Salva Kiir, the rujul bata salam, uder salam, umader dole de e karab. Ashan dole de ma e karab, bolmel be fego. Akol kor be fego. Riak mishar be fego. Siyazin kullu al-sijnul be fego. For the sake of peace. Nazo kulu be pego and junuf my karab. Nazo kulu to be shoot position de kul nas bolmel, na da kolkor, na riang mechar, na potkang jamado kulu be fegum. The question is now, miten reis salbakir be feguman. El na de bosel fi Christmas, now woman mabla Christmas. Mongan fegu fi yom is nene jaide. Mongan is feguman fi next week or the week after next week. It is just a matter of time. So to not majak de Elizabeth Sale, wala by matter of fact, I'm about to be a table munu. Lana it majak de Medin majak de got the bus, it got the bus. I don't know, it is all the Okuma, all the Zol with a Danga, all the Zol with a Shiluk, all the Zol with a Nuer. I don't even know. That's why media but I'm my shamal. At a Danga Zarma. Now that part, they don't even understand you. It's a table when Rajul Bori Nupso. Lloyd there to kun journalist kai medit majak, then you need to make sure that Salva Kiir lazim ifik jamadel lana Riek Machar did not commit any crime. Riek Machar did not commit any crime. If you talk, if you behave like a danker, Albagul Riek Machar katal nas min wadu tizain, what do you think John Garankan gadamulu Salva Kiir? What do you think what they've been doing? John Garang Salva Kiir, ma umman kan boktul finance kaman. Oman kan boktul finas. So John Garang bishil fu maka mameden. Salva Kiir bishil fu maka mameden. So if you say too that denga katalu, manuel katalu. Manuel katalu. Lo ite ji the kalamata 1991. Nuer katalu fu arbota manin. Denga katalu fu wadu tisayin. Lo tiji fu 2013. Denga nuer katalu fu 2013 denga katalu fu 2013. Fu 2025 kalamata mujurre. Kalam bata muda mujurkan gada mul shunu binasar ma mujurkan boktul finas he was killing people there katal nuer katalo kaman so ma vi yom white denga katalo o ma katal nuer ma vi yom white nuer katalo ma katal denga so salam ya bejebu kudu fu muk batakum Salva Kiir beshil salam Salva Kiir ma beshil muk bata jena sakar na medede de figuriang mashar ashanu nuerao but I'm not a tribalist. You are tribalist. Dahaja marum majang medidi, you are full tribalist. Don't lie to yourself. When you talk about Riek Machar that should not be released, dan ganun wenu, ma ganun bobda ma Salva Kiir. Ganun bobda ma Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir is the head of the state. Salva Kiir boktul fi gabila ta Nuer min arbo tamanin. Salva Kiir boktul fi gabila ta Nuer min arbo tamanin. Nuer ma mishi bela ta denga yom white. Utum yoga min bargazal, utum java beleta Nuer, and you cause problem. Lord, utum shakal ma Naath fi Nasser, mujur, shakal ma Nuer fi Nasser, dem mu shakal bita denga, ma beleta denga. Lo, John Garang shakal, muno adal jual, or shakal, Samuel Gaitu, katalu beleta Nuer, ma beleta denga. So, zol ta mu shakal. Zol be better, Zol Tani or Zol Muchagal. In this case, Denga are troublemakers. Lana Denga Yomish Beleta Nuer. Denga yo mashi beleta Samuel Gaitut and they end up killing Samuel Gaitut. Denga yo mashi Nazar ending up killing Nuer. Kulmayom denga yo got kukuchu beleta Nuer. Nuer ma mashi beleta denga yom white. Nuer ma mashi beleta denga yom white. The denga yo lo fi tarir denga bijiru beleta Nuer. Gal tarir ba mulu beleta Nuer. Ayaja ba mulu beleta Nuer. Ma piaja mulu beleta denga yom white. Ain't nothing. Ma piaja mulu beleta denga yom white. Aja kwez kada junubin lama umashi beleta denga mafi. Ajata cool always done in Nuerland. Utumbaji if you are out Nuer and you don't behave good. You behave ugly. You try to intimidate Nuer. You try to silence Nuer if you are out without. And then not shackle. Not shackle, not mad. So Riek Machar no bakamu brao. Salva Kiir is a wise man. Salva Kiir will release a call with Fuku. Lana daja ko le Junub Sudan. Bulmel with Fuku. Lana daja ko le Junub Sudan. Riek Machar with Fuku. Lana daja ko le Junub Sudan. Ujunub bam shigdam. Ukalam ne besebu. Kalam na shakala sade. SPLA umokuma mun barja bisalam. Olofi Junub lize figaba salam da obamalo. This is what will happen. Show opinion. Look at the opinion of the world kulu. African Union gali figure Riek Machar. IGAD gali figure Riek Machar. America gali figure Riek Machar. UN gali figure Riek Machar. South Africa is figure Riek Machar. The entire world is calling for Riek Machar to be released. Why do you think like that, Medin Majak? Why the entire Africa mabuzul waka mokuma ta denga? Nobody is supporting denga. Idea Riek Machar is a or Riek Machar Katal Naath 1991. Riek Machar Katal Naath. No. Lo Riek Machar kan da Machar da Junub Sudan. UN will know. America will know. African Union will know. IGAD will know. South Africa will know. Len ma bizol baru de denga baru bro de denga yo gade. Ola Riek Machar Katal Naath. De denga ba yo gade ko de ma bizol lan. De denga bro ba yo gade ko de. Riek Machar Katal Naath. Riek Machar sajinu. Riek Machar amalo. No, de kid Salva Kiir be Riek Machar. Lana Salva Kiir is better wise. Salva Kiir is stupid than admitted. Salva Kiir is not stupid like you guys. Salva Kiir be pick Riek Machar la chan salamiji. Salva Kiir be pick Bulmel la chan salamiji. Salva Kiir be pick a call la chan salamiji. Siazin kulo al gad visajan be fego. Siazin da junubin kulo al gad visajan be fego. It is just a matter of time. The question is not longer when will Riek Machar be released. It's not longer a question. Will a call be released? It's not longer a question. Will Bulmel be released? It's not longer a question. The question now is when. When when Jamade Bamalu release. Very soon, later, Jamade Bamalu release. So Utumnan Medide tribalist del. The agenda, the heading agenda but Adanga de Salva Kiir ma belit. I shall not bella dada by agenda but Adanga. Salva Kiir is not stupid. I shall not coach to move with Adanga muk belit. Mugol Bogol Riek Machar, but said you know, like Riek Machar, I took a knock for 1991. Unueru tum katal for 1984 Mabasabo. Nueru tum katal de Jazaro Fiara the Betau. Nuer ma mishi beleta denga young white. Denga always gadiji Fiara the Nuer. You always commit crime in Nuerland. To my charm, Nuer young white mishi beletagum. It a meditated jam in Agar. It a jam in Rumbek. It a sharp Nuer young white. Fitari Ramalufi Agar young white. Anyanya one the sharp and one via Garion white. That's not machine not machine. It's charcoal for Malta. Always I just got a malu for Jamner, La Malu Fiabat. 1972. Addis Ababa Agreement. There Malu for yet anwer. Yom da the Nuer, Ukida can the Nuer world with Agambella. Nuer local president Agambella for 1972. So, Kalamutum got a cool little to Nanbedide, to Nas Wamin Saget. Salva Kiir is not a stupid man, I shall shield Kalamatakum. As a Salva Kiir Jerobu Silla. Silla de Bill Kef. What happened now? Yamda to Mamma die for Kalava and Medide, for Cho Bataka Tabande. Olaya, a cover Misuko, a cover the Venasare. Nang ran Bijam where a cover tani. Nang Mojang Motok Lep Saga de Kalama cover, when you dangade, I can't get a shading on that. A cover, ye grum. Garangatan. When Manasade, let's all Mabukura, another music bullshit and Malo. Then the Babas, you're some bullshit. Louder people. As I want to win, not but it, when Makuchu, la video, and Amale died at Annie. That's a cover mesugo. Was feel ayo inta. Ujunu inta Salva Kiir ma blit. Salva Kiir bishila the quest or the quest riak mishar befego. Awala ta nwere se jinu kulu befego. Bolmel befego. Akol kor befego siazun kulu befego. Lana da je quest le Salva Kiir, da je quest le leadership da Salva Kiir, da je quest le legacy da Salva Kiir, da je quest le Salva Kiir. Le family da Salva Kiir is the right thing to do. What it does is not a judgment day. Well, we say that Denga Katalu or Nuer Katalu. No, it's not a wicked judgment. The dear but I Denga or Nuer the open of our judge, the my human being. The dear but I Nuer or Denga, only God can judge you. My bizul fi alamine Bible judge. You know why? Lano could Katalu Nuer in 1984. Nuer me Charles Lao Katal Denga command. O could Katalu Nuer 2013. Nuer me Charles Lao Katal Denga man. O could Katalu Denga of 1991. Denga Charles Lao Katal Nuer command. O could Katalu Nuer fi 2025 in Nazar Denga Katal Nuer Major. Nuer Charles Lao command Katal Denga. Sawa ma bizol bam yesejin. De salam ba de wajibu. Gadiye ba da Denga o Nuer bar faul la robuna. Ma bizol fi dune ne ba amal gadiye de. Ai zol le jirab gadiye de. If you try, if you alum that you will judge one tribe, would you believe other tribe, bara? That Gavila Yokaltan, the Danga Yokaltan, or the Nuer Yokaltan. Shekala Mabagif. Shekala Mabagif, Lana Magiga. The Magiga. You must be warned, people are not meditated. It akul, but I don't call Semin get a azol and mind your fucking business. Can it Salva Kiir Amalajan town? Salva Kiir is encouraged by all South Sudanese to release Naath the Kulum. Ashan Salam Mijil Fidola. Lana Mute Big Katir. Oh, government will never win. Government will never win again. Never. SPLA will never win again. Lana Shakala de Badao Min Bill from 1984. Lari 2026 Alele. Mafi win. Mafi win like in Danga Manuel Inta. Mafi win. Get there, you will kill SPLA will come outside that we won the war. Or Nuer will come outside that we won the war. Loda Nyani too. Loda Sim, Loda Munu, never. Boom, Mafi win. The mut was Mutayal Denga, Mutayal da Nuer, Mutamoton da Denga, Mutamoton da Nuer. That's what happening, but mid 1984, Larasa. Revenge. Katalu Nuer Alele, Nuer Bama Revenge Bukura. Katalu Denga Alele Denga Bama Revenge Bukura. So why we want to play the same game? Magabila in Ngabele Binta. Now the Garamut with Junus two twice. They then the bell was low book to live in Nazar, in Gabel. Then where the book to live in Nazar? Fi Jabal Iraq or cover Iraq or Munuda the Danga Botulina. I'll book to live your Pungi Redanga. I'll book to live your Bimnam the Danga. I'll book to live my wood the Denver. They took a bell, but you got a moot. Why you want to kill this? Hola, Okuma, when fairness with a dinner, there's all blit. Apple chicken, but talk down, build your stomach and leave the thing alone. And the bill these two tribes will finish. These two tribes will finish. Mukuda believe that you try to encourage Salva Kiir, the Red Musharma Fego. The Dol Kaltan is also all a will. It had a very cheap chicken, but out there, Wakulubara, Wamal Semin, but out there, Mavizol Basalita. Like in Morton, but I know, or Morton, but I dang, live at how must be safe. And that's what Salva Kiir will do. The right thing. That's not the Kulu Siazindel Kulu Befego. Again, you must be warned that Utum Dengal got a Kalam Kalam that you are not the victim. Denga is my victim. Or SPL is my victim. All of Nuer are my victim. Nuer my victim, SPL my victim, Denga my victim. Daja can got the door to the rivers. Katalu Fulan. Ujunubindel got a super Patgal Daja quest. No, it's not the bill ain't that. The Kuch PSPLI, the Nuer. To cook PSPLI, the Danga. For how long is he put to be done as they talk to the bar, Women Sudan again, Lada Sudan again, for what? Take you for Kuma in a day. Raise the Dankawi, Nimmerinen, then Ra, Utum got a shackle vision. So to not medide, shut the hell off. Carry live with a Danga Nuer to be safe. Carry raise the Amalai quest, my you. My go look at Amfar Sagal, Monjan Catalo, Munu Catalo, you are not the victim. If you think Nuer is a criminal, you are a criminal too. If you think Nuer Katal Denga Katal Nuer, come on. If you think Riek Machar Katal Denga, Salva Kiir Katal Nuer, come on. Salva Kiir katal Nuer, John Garang katal Nuer, Paul Manyang katal Nuer, Mavi David but a denga ma katal Nuer ulad yomalele yode albaktul vinwer yam da bolmel. Aliza baktul vinwer de zol banado a shalo bala gribde. Paul Nang Albadroba tayara yalda Nuer so sin wen denga bigger victim. Now, udum nal medide nyai garot kaka kumaik. Zoli chulo shokol dane. Ma short kaka ma short da jad bin ta min denga ide ga de lab bedam da denga manwer. De ga ta lab bedam da denga manwer. Lana la ga de mut kul mayo me de yal da denga o de yal da nwer. Lo asfel ayo ga de jibu de yal da nwer. Lo asfel ayo ga de jibu de yal da nwer yal da denga. Utum ga de shakal bijunu. Tum ga de shakal bijunu. That's the question they should ask. So, lo raise there amalai the quest. I shall if you go not raise the my shoju. My shoju can let him do the right thing. My I am a little confused. The Jada Bogole, we will win the war. War or what? The God, how many years do you know in 1984? SPLA got the shackle manual. Did they win anything? 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 10 years. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 20 years. 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 30 years. 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 40 years. 24, 2024, 2025, 2026, 43 years. Without great finger to mom. 43 years. 43 fucking years. Mafi win. Nuer cannot claim victory, or SPLA cannot claim victory. Lakin yalta Nuer inta or yalta denga inta. Lodi jasot with a denga inta. Lodi jasot with a Nuer inta. For what? So, me the way the nyai the chok, kaka kuma, karo kuma yamala the quest. Okuma de mai shojo. Diak mi shar befego. Dubat with SPLA kul befego, Bolmel befego, a call befego, ujunu bum shigadam. Zol al mad kalas. Nobody talk about it. Dengal mad. Shulugal mad. I zol al mad. We cannot be focusing on dead people. We have to focus on living people. Living. We have to think about living. Not the father yal zukarin. How can we save their life? How can we save their life? Yal but a nuer al father le yal lana lo nuer ma denga shakal the bell kulu will involve. You will force Junubin to take side. I get a chill. They chill jabata nuer or to chill jabata denga. This is what happening. And then you divide yourself into this is a Torit faction, or this is Nasser faction, or this is a Nyanyatu, or this is SPLA, or this is SPLIO, and this is SPLIG. Two twice. And always you force Junubin to take side. Shikala bada nen ga beli shikala da Junub Sudan. Yan mishkila bada nuer or denga vi Junub Sudan. This is mishkila da kawaja. Lo kawaja shakal the World War. The World War. Lakin lo zola so shakal vi Junub Sudan. Africa is not a World War. Lakin lo kawaja but dole shakal the World War 1, World War 2, World War 3, World War 4. They are the Junub Sudan shikala da nuer or denga the World War they Junub Sudan kulu. They shikala da Junub kulu. Chocolate and Nuero Danga, the chocolate that you will force South Sudanese to take side. And a budget for library, the other doing Yaman Jamoja Peck, and I took side. And a budget for library, the other doing Yaman Jamoja Peck, I took side. All I got a core of Malbanado, you know, Malbanado Law, Malbanado Fajut, or Malbanado Golushunu, Duke Fajut. Well, I know Kulu Boktulu, we shall side without. They could be a wide orgasm there. They might what I know, they might what I danga. Ola on boktul kede de nuer na ko lab lungara na de ba choya anana dorob nuer dorob denga fi abiamnam anana lab lungara kaman hajami chur abiamnam taw the dad chuba ja zare madin majak you want to see things like this always? Do you want to see something like this always? If you want to see the gabel bataw me benta wala gabel tani fi jinu zama man gala lungara kul mayom lungara kul mayom lungara kul mayom gabil bata ga gum lungara bonum lungara bogum lungara bonum lungara lanu man ma ga mut bare de ga gum ma be sharma daw meriza lana ma fi mut bare fi juba bogum be sharma daw meriza o lakbada talga na lo tu ko de balga umar rajibul na barada go kabir de lana ma fi shakala tabalga na jon chan fi kalabas jange nyange uma fi zol bata mut oh nuer rujal oh denga rujal o ma fi zol bata mut eyo kalamu tum de chubu kul mayom to sajman bana nan medin manjang de shut the fuck up ita man chicken batak de salba kere mai choju Salva Kiir will do the right thing. Or the right thing that Jama de Fugum. They have Mushar with Fugu, a call core with Fugu. As I don't fish a beer, Ben and Danga Brow, Kalama call core, or Kalam Bull Mel. Checkle the Mogan Gumayuket, it did shoot a jet, did it? Laras a bull mel, mine, Makama, Musukule. Ata will get this good a little musician because not because they scare. They're waiting for the right time. Right time, no more 10 years from now, 5 years from now. And now there is no good for dollars a day. I'm in Majak. Agar Batag, Rumbeg, got a moot, Kulmayum, Saraka, Rumbeg, big Aramin Kulum. Rumbeg, big Aramin Kulum, Sarak beggar Ravelan, Chocolate a beggar was Chocolate a beggar for Rumbeg the cop. Yana good am dade, and can't got a Kulum Kala assassin. That's good Gulum the baby, you will find a cow. People at Batagum. And you are very lucky today to do it a medidare. I shall need to guard for America. Loit can my guard for America, it can Bukuna Ramaman. Can in the Kalanjin cover the Garnikamajata, Mujoko Lajat, but a Munu Lajat, but a Nyaro Jata Munu. You are very lucky to guard for America, they eat a legit group does watch, group the Kawajat. Like in Loit can guard for Bellet now, Bellet, I can't Cataluta Kalat. Land is cement, they did be careful. A fat man like this, how can you run? Not a rumbe kul ragagin. Land the sugar of my own, but they will go, in the dead. Community Munu shackle. Kul my own, Rumbeg Magari shackle my nerve, Rumbeg Magari shackle my chiluk, Rumbeg Magari shackle my fiele, like in Rumbeg got a shackle brow. Rumbeg got a shackle brow, Kalambecker was land boy bigger again. Kus gulung the 500 cow. Musakin da Rumbeg Roman Chalkala, and you go that Anabalga kus the beguo. You wouldn't see a judge the Kulmayom? A jata fakam munu, alele fakam mamunu shagal, Bukra fakam mamunu shagal, young dan fakam mamunuja, the fakam that you know. I shan Salbakir busy manuer in Maria Mishar. Lo chocolate wagabu, chocolate but give command land, Bukun fee follis, Bukun fee group the follis. Elbow gabu fakamde, lana fakamde big aramin kulum. I had a jam Rumbeg now, and I pakam, amal gede. So pakam that big a shirkulu. So to Naath, Nan my brother, I'm sorry to call you out, but I just got a Kulumugabel video without challenging Salva Kiir, got labor, Figuriak Mashar, African Union, they call to release Riak Mashar, and it's a Mamusud Bakalamde. Zul got akul chicken for America, Mamusud Bakalamde. What bother you? Young Michel Faguma Fagode Chokol, but I get a guard for America. I'm go walk over time. Quit fee, Jim. Go lose weight. Lala Bacho, Medin Majak, I have a golo, diabetes, the book to dinner. Now the Toro in a garden bellet for 6 years, the Gism does so again, Lara I can lay or do with America. As I did a right in the Sudur Kubar, the Bacho had diabetes, Menega. Same Kalamda Salvakere. Because Cognim side Kalamfar. Salva Kiir should be allowed to do the right thing. Or raise with $1, they will job $1, raise my daddy shuf. Salva Kiir my daddy mood receive $1 without the kayas. Salva Kiir my daddy mood receive $1 without the kayas. Salva Kiir will do the right thing. Salva Kiir be fik jamadel. $1 bam shigadam, or idaja gatir social media de begif, or shitima de begif, $1 wakunindo salam. Utum da gada raba sudur fi America de sudur bigger de sudur bra gado kuch fi gym. Time attack you take fi live video de go to gym. Go lose weight. Go lose fucking weight. go to gym lana bar cho akil da mer ga bokto liter umugabir da mer ga is very expensive do le kus fi gym lana bar cho nan medin men jag da de zib tak mara tak ma bu brani ba akil kete zib tak bokun ma fi talga mara bata ga no marajil tan fi gym bata lanin ma indak zib ta ga de chuba ga de chakal ba kalam kus nazra ga gin zib da zol ga bara kede de yaw ba bi mara very expensive agar bi gara amin kulu be kalam begar razoide ila mi da gweju mun ganin fi America mun amal tudur kubar de fi America they encouraging war alela de ana zol da hukuma bukuru ana zol da shuluk ba bukuru ana zol na shut the hell up kuch fi gym go do some workout take care of yourself leave Salva Kiir alone do not condemn Salva Kiir lo African Union gal be figu riang machar ma be figu riang machar not for bad intention. It's for good intention. Lana tu gabele inta kulum. Lo kan fi gabila go we kan amal defeat gabila ta aluminium dak. Ita bi shuba sa Salva Kiir bi Uganda dele. Lana shakala da umadero. Umadero asasa. Umadero lakin denga zegum dire yo encouraging Salva Kiir ashani shakal manas. Galu bakal nuer. Galu badet nuer. Ya Samuel ga itu mad nuer madedu adal chol ga talu nuer ma gebaf riak mi char sije no nuer liza ga chakal manas yam dawo ko riak mi char kan ga bara nuer kan ma bodor dol kan denga ga da kullu ma gutum na me de te bokuj ke de bokuj fi mal bada Chinese food de al bogolu chune ba pe dol bogo du mal da for 3 hours 4 hours Ata Chinese verb go lega what the fuck man leave man can course today yellow la you pay like $12 or $13 then you eat as you like. Lakini ukirutu mbada mushakal la nwera lele telefoner katir well trying to silence this strife min 1984 ukalamde inta min gabila da denga inta min gabila da nwer ubukura la amalu salam lisa nwere on merenen Lisa denga yo gar gedam. So Rais Salva Kiir should not be bothered. Leave him alone. Leave I motherfucker manaru denka ode is for your own good. Salam de riak mishare befigu for your own good. Lo riak mishare ma fagu fi gebel fi community the community afadang de binta kulu. Bokun nuer ma bosal be bargadal. Lakin nuer binta mina afadang de kulu. Afadang ma denga kaman think about your people ma de chuk nafsa gita bayid min bargadal lakin fi denga ene de gad fi nus bidan werene they will never survive o Salva Kiir chawat na denga buru will never survive min ma taradu SPLA fi jungule fi jungule fi akoba den wer braw yo ma de kuch fi bur den wer braw bas nobody will stop them as a low man fikr wala la wayami that they will make to bur Salva Kiir will never do nothing bur ba mut kulu be kalam ta gumde mi da gwet boton betaw million ve America be chicken wing o hamburger o cheeseburger o Chinese food o kalam fare correct be zo zar mind to fight guy try to challenge Salva Kiir that not about figu na ga riam mi cha mon jam ton to baru de kam ner Salva Kiir katalu Salva Kiir ku kan ga fi jazala min de bata SPLA shakala ta wadu tizin de kam dubat bata ner Salva Kiir in ta minu fa rajuba Salva Kiir de kam dubat bata ner in ta minu lo rubuna jabo lele yesu jabo lele o galle Salva Kiir golle junubin de kam ner te katalu fi 1991 brawbas you will be surprised de kam dubat bata ner fi SPLA Salva Kiir katalu man in cold blood bakalam riak mishar lo Salva Kiir salu fi wukita gaitut wukita nyanitu ukit katal gaitut de how many dubat anwer katal fi SPLA bakalam da gaitut so denga is not a victim Salva Kiir is not a victim lazim salam jibu o be jibu wa izol ma der kalam de nas bi shakal mak mu de Salva Kiir bi shakal mak zol ma der mutta nweru denga yogabu zol ma der kalam de bi junuza mut da denga nweru yogabu lana lo wagabu mutta nweru denga de kalama bo golu mushakal jay min ala nil no mushakal ma jay fi ala nil عشان نوير قاعد في على النيل كله لكن مشاكل اللي جاي من two tribes challenging each other for nothing challenging each other for nothing أنا يو قوي وأنا يو قصير وأنا يو طويل كده يال بنتا كده ده في قدام جون غرن ما ويليام جون غرن يو قاعد قدام ويليام يو قاعد راو نوير ما دنگا انتا في يتاو من ده asa ja wakita salbakir ma riyak mishar salbakir yo gad gedam riyak mishar yo gad waraw lissa inen ga bel lissa buktulu how do you feel when ite beji bara zede ite beji bara yalda nwer ma de ga shubu ga dorobu tayarat how do you feel ukidi bara yalda ruwang yal sukarin de aktor min 230 mat fi dagiga wide bas how do you feel So I men are going to get a kalam shakala. Try to encourage Salvakir and Salvakir Shakal Manuere. It's not a good idea. It's not a good idea. Anona Gabella got a love Lungara Bakalamut and not Vitan Magadamut. Now the Garamut could my own not Vitakum. If you want to continue that way down there, that you try to defeat Nuer is not, you cannot defeat Nuer. Now for the 3 years, that's what that's really been trying to do. Try to defeat Nuer. For the 3 years. In time in Danga Kulu. Back then, I left in Ngong Lali Yagan and bet few dollars white for that bet I can't do me never. Fi Tizo Tamanin. Bet I can't do me never. Fi Tizo Tamanin. Fi 1991, bet in Takulu. Ada natural ton the guy, the Shuba woman got a column there, woman man got a column, woman Musudin. Then now what happened in Fialanil, Mushakal Babda from Maltane, Ubaji Fialanil. De mushakal bada fi bil fam dawde fi juba kalam political inta fi alanil inta min moton danwer moton da alanil dama moton da bargadal mushakal bada fi bil fam we don't even know what the fuck happened in bil fam de munu mamunu ga shakal all we know salbakir min bargadal riyak mushal min alanil fagana mum secretary general min alanil una da machine quest woman ga sir kulum riyak mushal ga sir batari ga bataw salbakir ga sir batari ga bataw fagana mum ga sir batari ga bataw the next thing we know moton batana katalu okay moton batanda alanil katalu fi juba shakala ma waga bina moton da bor le janukulu moton da shulu mat malakal gaman ma wasal le bargadal lakin the question is lo denga da alanil inta kullu ma wasal be bargadal yaw yam da pungir ga rekori no ra jokoy tol ulisa kalam shunu kalam waral ga amalu encourage that two tribe is the movement the Tehran other tribe will be forced to take side. Other tribe will lo ite mishi le denga chai ko jam. Lo ite mishi le nuer mena gwele chi nuer oi. You fighting over South Sudanese to take side. O side is side to kill you. Side to kill your children. You know when chala min 1991 nan ga shi ja min 1984 al wagam al fiel wagam al wagam 92 wagam lakin kalam no kulu de nuer yo ma do denga yo mat lo de nasser faction autorit faction de nuer yo ma do denga yo mat lo de 2013 de nuer yo ma do denga yo mat lo de 2025 mu jurre min denga why me de min nuer the same group so say man need to wake up nyai ge chok ka kumai do not challenge the government Salva Kiir abe kafat loy palga Salva Kiir ban bida Junub Sudan ulazim yishil salam he will be encouraged that's a call core figu lo call core sarak gurush Salva Kiir da sarak lo call core katal nas Salva Kiir katal nas lo riyam mi shar sarak Salva Kiir sarak lo riyam mi shar katal nas Salva Kiir katal nas aje te dero bas de salam ma fi ayatane de salam yo te dero. Now I don't think that the quest could mayam we will come lose raise that amalize quest we will challenge him. That don't do it. Well I me monjang be fiori monjang the when answer there be fiori when the man monjang in tade the man monjang 230 mat for the gigawatt 230 the man monjang 70 something mat for warajuba in de 20 miles from capital city the man monjang got a mut for murata beggar ne for warajuba the man monjang le to monjang to got a kalam that monjang be fiori lo fakuri mo sha asa ite gad ite riang Michel gad bisi jinu tu mungsurit monjang amit fiyo men Saint Mani na gada kalam nan medin majagde. You are just a fucking example. Lakin fi denga katir gada kalam dede. Asa riang Michel gada sijin mon jang if you miet. Ma riang Michel gada sijin na for almost a year now. Naran mit you. People let denga gulu. La riang Michel fego wala mon jang if you riak. Tumna Saint Mani saga. Sibu rais. Kala rais amala jo kwez. Rais ma amalu shaling. Salva Kiir ma amalu shaling. Wamal galat kalas. Lakin it's not too late. Rais, he's still making a decision matana kulu. And he should be allowed to make a good decision, not a bad decision. Ashandol la dagam shigadam defend on Nuer Madenga. Ashandol la dag salam miji forward defend on Nuer Madenga. Along denga Manuel got challenge each other politically, militarily, junub mabuchu salam. That's that gigabus. Along denga Manuel challenging each other boktul. But some baru basam gatira nyagad. Ajang. SPLIO, SPLIG, Torit faction, Nasser faction, Anyanya 2, SPLA. Anana mabalga salam. Junub kulu mabalga salam. I bet fijana kabiru fijana majawarao. When your father want to give responsibility, bidi lejana kabir fi bet, ujana majawarao. Fi Junub Sudan, denga yo gabila akbar warao fi unwer. The bells of Karin, if you allow this tribe to fight Kulmayom, the Pedekal Vishakalazaro, it will Motaro. Lana, the bell into Jalan Mark. They're not fighting for Gaba. Woman Maga, the shackle for Gaba. They're your neighbors. I political fight with Junus few near few danger. I state with Junus few near few danger. I mal Mushakal with a danger, Manuel Bada, Bok to lay Junubitani. Right down, you know. So why you allow them to kill each other? You will be wise. I shan't go the race kill salam. Silencing Nuere or silencing Dangade will never help South Sudan. Leadership de come and go. Lakin yal with a Dangade, Lele de Anamutag Yalta, Medit Mafijan of Marion White. Lakin lo Waja, I generate mobile with Azol of a mode. Yom mutane lo jena batang mas saga be morde, you will feel ashamed, you will feel sorry. That's le robona be shil jena batai. So before you think about war, think about yala gada mo de yal tanas. Lo de yal vra denga, their family, that's cry for them. Lo de yal vra nwer their family, that's cry for them. So none another guy in America, hey motherfucker, shublek shukul batagam shakul donas batag and shut the fuck up. Raid de بشيل طريقة كويس بفيقوا رياض مشار بفيقوا سيادة ديل كله بفيقوا نالا كولكور ناس بولمال عشان دولة يمشي قدام لو في محكمة بتاع نوير بعملوا ما بعملوا في الدنيا هنا ما دينغا ده ربنا يوبجي يوبقول حقيقة لأنه لو جابوا لن عشان يجي معمل محكمة بتاع نوير ما دينغا ولا will take a side نوير كله بقتلوا يو تبص معه lo le mahakama ta Nuer Madenga malu Shabana and got him in Nazar to judge you. I will take a side. Ba dung yel man jang mo ge pek. I ba dung yel man jang mo ge pek. I took a side there. Lakin Nuer bok tulu kulu de lan bokul de wana bokul ba dung yel man jang mo ge pek ma fi jana da chulu garamot. Chulu gara la lungar everywhere. Ma fi mala le litu bichu ma gara la lungar. Le lana bele taw ma fi umut lakin inen ga bele ma fi zol gara lab lungar everywhere denga tal denga yo gebila kebir u yo kan lab lungar ma fi tal manuel yo gebila kebir ma wara denga ka u yo kan lab lungar ma fi de ga bel so gara ga lab lungar na mun ma gar mut why lana you choose to challenge yourself. Salute guys. So Salva Kiir is able raise batana ajad last look kulu raise I go leadership and quest. You ready? It amal the legacy. I said it. I said that John Garang, Lama Kol, Uriang Misha, Lama Kol, educated by Arab with a PhD. They call him genius. Picarton. John Garang, educated by white men, fi Iowa the Moy, they call him very smart man. With a PhD. Riek Machar, educated by white men for London and Luluga, they call him scientist. Woman Galu Malwa, they wage a war against Sudan government, woman Mamasik Juba, woman Mamasik Malakal, woman Mamasik Wow. Woman can gali shakal vulakat. Ukuduman biga tabanin, woman galavu. That the Nuer, Omachela, they should let Danga, Omachela, woman, Gazum Nas, Torit, and Nas affection. They end up killing Nuer Madanga. They did not achieve anything. Lakin Salbakir Mayadit. Budun high school diploma, Charlo Bus comes as an onus, or Jablin a dollar. The legacy tamam. Mother Karabu Kalam Nas Medid. Better Babdal Fiat, but it of a motive to feel legacy fee. Or legacy there. To become to be maintained legacy batagre fix yazin del kulu fix yazin del kulu agot ma on table da kwanak amal salam masil salam da gilib batak gisim kurasi de batariga kwes mata ade duman jinubin kulu be wed bukura people see you utema yazin del tungaru malwide utumyo mishkela da jinub sudan the ma tribe de mongo god fi yeta Chinese tribe de the belle albogolo de tribalism shunu da de the belle lo jabu Chinese bukura Chinese will lead them buduna imishkela lo jabu Arab will lead them buduna imishkela mana the belle ma mishkela do tumyo mishkela so raise batana forget about the jada so look kulu and do the right thing fig jama de kulu wamshi gadam jib salam la dola bata umida gwel ga social media na medin majago chunu betudur da mara da will take care of that. Thank you guys.